So this is how the I-9 is packed up and leaves Luraco. It's on a pallet, shrink wrapped, tied down with a no stack. Every shipper should know not to stack on top of it. Also, when the installer gets to the home, you should leave the chair in the box until you actually can't get the box any further to where the customer wants it. Don't take the box out before you get to the customer's home. They need to see how it looks as it was shipped to them. So here's the I-9 with the boxes removed. This is what we want the installers to pay attention to, is how to move the chair inside the home. What we've got here is a little illustration for you. This is the actual frame. It's underneath the I-9. And what we recommend is that there's 2 furniture moving carts for the I-9 to be traveled from the truck to the house and inside the house. So 2 furniture carts, and we want the frame to be balanced on the back and the front so there's no undue stress. So the moving carts can be put either way. We've aligned them this way because we're assuming you're trying to go through a narrow doorway. So the I-9 without the arms, and this always takes 2 people to do the installation. So the installers, you need to make sure you pick the chair up by this slot right here. Never use the back as a leverage for moving the chair. So lift the chair up. There's 2 wheels on the back of the chair, so that should help in the movement. And the installer should slide the chair onto the moving carts. As you can see, the chair's aligned on the back moving cart, so the weight is evenly distributed across both tries. So the I-9 is 29.5 inches wide at the widest point, which is up where the shoulder pads are. You want to make sure that you do not torque the back of the chair in any way, and it should be an even team here of pushing and pulling for moving the cart to the home. So if you're going through a tight spot, make sure that the widest part of the chair, the leather, doesn't scrape against any door jambs so that you don't damage the leather on the chair.